The International Cricket Council's ICC opens alignment with India has pushed world cricket into a self-made crisis. According to Kashmir Media Service, by coercing Pakistan and ignoring Bangladesh security concerns, the ICC has effectively become an Indian Cricket Council, willingly to sacrifice the game's integrity to shield one board. The ICC's transformation into an Indian Cricket Council is no longer perception, it is measurable in numbers. By bullying Pakistan and ignoring Bangladesh security concerns, the ICC is engineering losses that will damage every cricketing nation, not protect the game. If Pakistan and Bangladesh do not participate in the T20 World Cup 2026, the ICC faces an estimated $200 to $300 million collapse in tournament value from reduced podcast rights, sponsorship pullbacks, and legal disputes. The single India-Pakistan match alone is worth $50 million in advertising and broadcast revenue, drawing 500 plus million global viewers. So, 200 to 500 rupee crore per event from missed marquees, much diluted sponsorship, and lower TRPs. Podcasts could lose approximately amount of 300 crore in premium ad sales, triggering the compensation claims that rebound on the ICC and its biggest stakeholder, India. Pakistan and Bangladesh, they have taken a principled stand, yet the ICC ignores two sovereign boards opposing coercion by one. This cartel system governance risks fragmenting world cricket. When fairness collapses, everyone pays, even including the power that has caused it.